I'm gonna be honest with you, this is probably gonna be the easiest cornbread recipe that you ever made. Now, I've been looking online and I've seen people making, you know what I'm saying, ice cream bread, and then you're making ice cream pancakes. And I said to myself, why can't you make ice cream cornbread? Check this out. We got our self-rising cornmeal mix, and then we got some ice cream. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, I went with the cheapest ice cream that was on sale. So if it don't turn out good, we ain't really wasting no ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. It's gonna be a simple recipe, easy recipe. We're gonna be in the game. So we're gonna start this recipe off with 2 cups of cornmeal. And I got self-rising cornmeal. And you probably ask yourself, why would ice cream work with making either bread, pancakes, or in this case, cornbread? So the richness of the cream will give it moisture and it'll get you in the game, fam. So that's about 2 cups of cornmeal mix, self-rising cornmeal mix. And we got our ice cream, and you really want to have this melted, but I'm gonna put this back in the freezer after I get, you know what I'm saying, what I want out of it so we can eat it later, right? So I just got it a little bit softened. And then we're gonna go with about 2 cups worth of ice cream. And then you see some of it's melted, which is perfect. And like I said, this is gonna give this cornbread moisture. It's also gonna give it a bit of sweetness. So if you don't like sweet cornbread, this recipe probably won't be for you. But if you kind of like, you know, a little sweetness in your cornbread, then this right here will be up your alley. So it'll provide some moisture, a little bit of sweetness, and we got our oven set to go. You probably hear it chiming in the background. I know you do. So we're going through 400 degrees today in the oven, and we're gonna make this, like I said, simple, delicious cornbread made with ice cream. All right, we got our ice cream melted, and that's ready to go. So we're gonna set this over to the side because I need to put some butter in this pan. I'm going with a pie baking dish today. I'm gonna put a couple tablespoons of butter. Now you can go with a cast iron skillet if you like, but same concept, couple tablespoons of butter. We're gonna put this in the oven, let this melt, and get this baking dish hot so we can get some nice crispy edges. So we're gonna put this in the oven. We got it ready to go, 400 degrees. Like I said, we already got the cream is melted. Now we gotta go to work. 2 cups of cornmeal mix, and then we got our cream, and then that's 1 cup there. And then we're gonna add in our final cup. Now that first was a little bit over a cup, and then that one was a little bit under a cup. So all in all, about 2 cups of ice cream melted. So we'll get this mixed in. Don't worry about the lumps if you have any, but you don't want to over mix this. So just combine it like so. So this is good to go right here. Now we're gonna let that pan get up to temp, let that butter melt. All right, so we got this butter that's melted, and it's perfect. This is exactly what we want right here. Yes,
and that
sir.
butter is going to create a nice crispy edge. And I'm going to be honest with you, that's the best part of cornbread to me, is that edge piece where you get that buttery taste, and it's all perfect. Got that nice crispiness that pairs well with that inside texture. Yes, sir, in the game. Now we want to level this off, give it a couple of shakes, and then we're going to put this back in the oven, 400 degrees. I'm going to take this for about 20 minutes until it becomes golden brown, and then we'll take it back out.
So we're about 20 minutes in, and I'm gonna tell you, man, it is smelling absolutely delicious. What I want to do is I want to check it just to make sure that it's done. And we come back out like this, clean toothpick, we're in the game. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. So we're gonna let this cool down for a little bit, but you see right here, you got those nice crispy edges that you need in a cornbread. And yes, sir, it's smelling absolutely delicious. I think we're gonna be in the game. We're gonna let this cool down, cut it up, taste it, and then we got a treat at the end. We're gonna make something delicious with this cornbread. So if you want to know how to cut perfectly slices of cornbread, you just do your little X shape. And then you come back and finish it off. Then we get that first slice out. Hey, and take a look at that right there. Yes, sir, we're in the game. So you already know what we got to do, fam. We got to get us a taste test. And yes, sir, cheers. So it's moist, slightly sweet. Hey, that's some pretty good cornbread right there. All right, fam, I'm gonna tell you, it's not too dense. You know, like sometimes people make cornbread and it's like dense, it's not cakey. I would say, and then you kind of see that perfect crust right there. Yes, sir. Hey, this is really good. And you already know when you put that butter in that pan and all those ingredients mix, I'm telling you, man, absolutely delicious, fam. Hey, make this recipe right here. Cornbread made with ice cream, 2-ingredient cornbread, simplest cornbread that you can probably ever make in your life. We're in the game. Now, I did say we're gonna make a little bonus recipe, so I did save me a little of this cornbread. I didn't smash all into it, but trust me when I say we're gonna smash into this cornbread. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make us some cornbread ice cream now out of the cornbread that we made with ice cream. So we got our cornbread all chopped up in my ice cream scooper. It's almost like we're at a creamery shop, right? Then we get us a spoon, mash this in, and then we just mix this cornbread with this ice cream. I'm gonna get me another little scoop, like a half a scoop. So right now, I know my ratios are probably a little bit off, but hey, yes, sir. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get this, put this in my bowl like so. And then you know what'll be good with some cornbread? Hey, just a little bit of honey. Oh, yes, sir. Look at that right there. Yes, sir, we in the game. You got some cornbread ice cream. Ooh-wee. Let's go ahead and give this a taste test bonus recipe with the cornbread that we made with ice cream. And here we go right here. Yes, sir, making ice cream concoctions in your own home, you in the game. Yes, sir. Cheers, fam. Now that, hey, that's pretty delicious right there. You got the creaminess of the ice cream with that slightly sweet cornbread and that honey on top. Hey, that's a perfect pair right there. Hey, you in the game. Yes, sir. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Hey, a like is free and it tells the YouTube algorithm that you enjoyed this video. Also, share this video with your family and friends and tell them, hey, no longer do you have to worry about making perfect cornbread that's gonna be with a lot of ingredients. You got 2 ingredients that you need. Along with a little bit of butter, you are in the game. So you already know what I'm about to do. For my Focus family that's been rolling me for a while, I'm about to smash into this cornbread made with ice cream, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe.